Okay, the journey continues. This is part 2 of our little island hopping campaign we got going on here today. We're staying at Tondo Beach. This boat here out to an island, basically just a sandbar island. I called it Coral Island in the other video, but there's one that we just stopped on right here. This is actually Cory Island. So nothing here. Check this out. We're out in the Lingayen Gulf. And it's windy, and I apologize again for the wind noise in this video. I know it's going to be noisy, so I'll try my best to speak up so you can hear. But of course, look where I'm at. There's a lot of wind out here, so the waves are incredible. I'm not a surfer, but I tell you what. Right about now, and so we are coming around around that area. I think we just came through here. Or no, we came through here, and the waves are just wicked aggressive. I mean, I could even do a boogie board. I used to do that back in the late 80s, and it was fast. There's really no skill to it. You just get on it and go. I wish I had one. Yeah, this is Coral Island. There ain't nothing here. Except a lot of coral. I got my flip-flops on this time, boy. I tell you what, walking across this barefoot, you would be in trouble. It's a lot of freaking coral out here. Got some washed up debris, probably somebody's boat. Yeah, this is nice. I don't know if I'm gonna go swimming or not. But I think I see the tides coming in now. It's kind of mid-afternoon. The tides just starting to come in, going this direction. So too far. It looks like it drops off right over there where the water gets dark. I suppose if I walked out there, I'd probably drop in. Get my butt in the water for a few minutes. Yep, there ain't nothing out here except a lot of coral. Lots of it. Anyways. This was?
This was like a volcano before it's high.
Oh, really?
And there's 3 typhoons.
Oh. So this little island, this little atoll or whatever the hell you call it, was kind of a volcano shape?
Yeah, volcano shape.
And then the current from the water, or the waves, whatever, eroded it, brought it down flat? No shit.
Typhoon.
3?
Flooding.
I'll be damned. This flat little reef, island, atoll, whatever you want to call it, was once a volcano-shaped island. And it went down to this. Pretty sweet. Once again, those waves just look wild. So there you go. Once again, Coral Island. I can't believe this thing actually has a name. There's just nothing here. But we're out in the Lingayen Gulf. I would say probably what, northwest of Lingayen Islands. And I think Honda Island is all that out there. That's where we're at. That's the way in direction we came. So that little thing right there is on the island. And then back over that way, down in there, is 100 Islands. And then back into New Cabo Wharf and Alaminos and all that good jazz. And then of course out there is just So this is basically Lingayen Gulf Bridge going north, going back out that way, going into the South China Sea. This is basically all this is the South China Sea coming into the Gulf. Lingayen Gulf. Section of Luzon, Philippines. Zone. But there you go, there you have it. We'll see where we go next after this, but for now, Cory Island, in the middle of nowhere, Lingayen Gulf rather. All right, thanks again, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Have a nice day. All right.